This used to take me 4 hours. Now it takes 10 minutes. I'm going to show you my exact AI-powered 3D modeling workflow live in real time and prove that the entire pipeline from concept to render is genuinely free. One caveat before we start, I'll tell you exactly which step has a paid upgrade that's worth knowing about. No surprises at the end. I've been doing 3D work for over 15 years. When AI modeling tools first appeared, I was skeptical, but in 2026, the gap between manual modeling and AI modeling has collapsed for most production use cases. Today's tools, Adobe Firefly, Meshy AI V6, Blender 5.1.1, and Polyhaven, form a pipeline that replaces 4 hours of manual work with 10 minutes of AI-assisted generation. Here's every step live. Step 1. Adobe Firefly Free Tier. Open Firefly. Type a detailed description of the 3D subject you want to model. Be specific. Include the object, style, lighting direction, material. The more detail you give, the closer your reference will be to what you want to model. Generate 4 variations. Pick the best one as your reference image. Under 2 minutes. You're starting with a clear visual target instead of a vague idea. Free tier gives you 25 credits per month, no watermark on outputs. Commercial use is allowed. That's 25 concept images per month at no cost. 2 minutes in, concept locked. Now the actual modeling. Step 2. Meshy AI V6. This is where the real time saving happens. Upload your concept image to Meshy AI. Select Image to 3D mode. Hit Generate and wait approximately 60 to 90 seconds. The output is a fully textured 3D model with PBR maps, base color, metallic, roughness, and normal maps all generated automatically. On Meshy 6, textures render at 4K resolution. Meshy 6, released January 18th, 2026, significantly improved anatomy on characters, edge sharpness on hard surface objects, and introduced low poly mode for game-ready meshes. Here is the important thing I need to tell you about the free tier. Meshy gives you 100 free credits per month and up to 10 downloads. That's generous for experimenting. The catch: downloading Meshy 6 outputs requires a paid plan. Free tier users can generate previews with Meshy 6 quality, but download with Meshy 5. If you need Meshy 6 downloads, Pro starts at $20 a month. For commercial use on the free plan, outputs are CC-BY 4.0. You can use them commercially as long as you attribute Meshy. Paid plans give you full private ownership with no attribution required. For this tutorial, the free tier quality is more than enough to show the workflow. Export your model as GLB, OBJ, or FBX. Step 3. Blender 5.1.1, released April 14th, 2026. Completely free, no subscription. Import the Meshy export into Blender. Use the Decimate modifier to optimize polygon count for your target platform. If you're going to game engines, lower the poly count. If you're rendering only, keep it high. Quick fix obvious issues. Check for inverted normals. Apply the AI-generated textures using Blender's shader editor. For most AI-generated models, this takes 2 to 3 minutes. This 2-minute cleanup step makes the model production ready. Without it, AI-generated models often have minor issues that show under professional lighting. Step 4. Polyhaven.com. Free, CC0 license, complete public domain, use for anything, including commercial projects, forever. Download any HDRI from Polyhaven, plug it into Blender's World Shader node, instant professional lighting in 30 seconds, no manual light placement, no bouncing, no test renders. Adjust the rotation until the light direction feels right. That's it. Professional photographers and concept artists use HDRI lighting as their production standard. You're doing the same thing for free. Step 5. Blender AI Denoising. Enable it in render settings. Set sample count to 128. Hit render. With AI Denoising, Blender produces a clean, professional result at 128 samples instead of the traditional 1,000 plus samples needed for noise-free output. That's roughly a 10 times reduction in render time. This render takes under 60 seconds on a modern GPU. The result is clean, professional, and export ready. 10 minutes. Concept to render. Done. Recap. Firefly for concept reference. 25 free credits per month, no watermark. Meshy AI V6 for the 3D model. Free preview, paid for V6 downloads. Blender for cleanup and rendering, completely free. Polyhaven for professional HDRI lighting, completely free, CC0. The total time, 10 minutes. The total cost, $0 if you stay on free tiers, $20 a month if you want full Meshy 6 downloads. Subscribe for more workflow breakdowns every week. Drop your questions below. I read every one. See you next time.